Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. As you can see here, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and confirm everything with your screen lock. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, and no worries, you will not lose any kind of personal data such as photos or videos. It will simply reset the settings which are connected, for example, with the screen timeout, with system navigation, etc. So just tap on Reset if you are ready, tap on Reset and wait until this operation will be done. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.